Today, our video is regarding a supplement which is optimized for male fertility and reproduction. The vitamin, which we are talking about, is Wellman Conception, which is UK #1 men's supplement brand. Wellman Conception is specially formulated with nutrients to support normal spermatogenesis and testosterone levels in the blood. So men who are trying for a baby, this is a very good supplement for conception. Now let's see, what are the key ingredients which make Wellman Conception so popular for reproduction? And also we will tell how and when to take this medicine. Wellman Conception contains 15 milligrams of zinc, which contributes to normal fertility and reproduction. Zinc is arguably one of the most important minerals for the male reproductive system, as semen contains 100 times more zinc than is found in the blood. Wellman Conception contains Siberian ginseng extract, maca extract, pine bark extract, all of which plays important role in healthy sperm production. It also contains vitamin B6, which contributes to the regulation of testosterone levels in human body. Wellman Conception contains L-carnitine, L-arginine, which are types of amino acid, which increases blood flow to penile region, making erection stronger. Coenzyme Q10, inositol, included in Wellman Conception, helps in increased sperm quality and fertility. Other than that, Wellman Conception contains selenium, which contributes to normal spermatogenesis. Along with vitamin A, C, D, and vitamin B12, which contributes to normal function of the immune system and helps to reduce tiredness and fatigue. Now let's see how to use this supplement. Start this vitamin, ideally 3 months, before trying to conceive. Take daily 1 tablet, at same time of the day, preferably after breakfast. Do not take this empty stomach. Like other supplements, it's advisable to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using, if you are under medical supervision. And also, if it's not helping, try to talk to your doctor. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.